Welcome to the cook. Ooh, man. Cooking General, man. I'm sorry, y'all, man. I was out there, man. Two guys out there. I mean, they was getting it on. I stopped them. I'm like breaking them up. And look at that, man. One of you guys bit me. I got a bite mark right there. Oh, dang. But anyway, welcome to the Cooking Journal. I ain't worried about that there. Hey, today we're going to do this fall video. You know what I'm saying? It's fall, and we're going to do ingredient with pumpkin. And I want to do this ingredient with pumpkin because I was asked by a viewer, and they know who they are. So we're going to do this video with pumpkin, and I was thinking, because I went by, I think that was, if I'm not mistaken, Popeyes. They had like a pumpkin thing pie, but I done this back in 82, 81, 82. I gotta look at the books, but anyway, I'm gonna make a pumpkin pecan fried pie, and it's really good. I'm not gonna even joke with you. If you like pumpkin, you will love this pie. Now come in, let me show you what you do on this hill. Now check it out. Now to do this hill, now I got me a couple of cans of pumpkin. Okay, you're gonna need an egg. I'm gonna make my batter in some cold water. You're gonna need some grease to fry it in. You already know that there. But we're gonna use some butter, salt. We're gonna make our dough from scratch. Marshmallows. I got some pecan bits. I got them little bitty ones because there's gonna be some small pies. Powdered sugar, cinnamon. Now, I got me some allspice here. I have to borrow that because I ain't have none. Milk, flour, and sugar. And man, we're gonna put this together, and it's gonna be a real good fall recipe. But man, this thing here is kind of hurting. But I'm gonna get this put together. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Man, hey, I'm rocking 2 more videos in November and 2 more in December. Hey, I ain't going nowhere. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Ooh, man, this thing kind of ball. Hey, but come here. Check this out here. Now, I just got me a pinch of sugar, pinch of salt, and my butter in here. And I'm sipping through it. I'm trying to get my butter broke down because I'm going to add my cold water really slowly and try to get my dough just right. Now, I got my allspice in here. You know what I'm saying? I add me some cinnamon and a little sugar in here. Now, I'm also going to add my marshmallows. And what I didn't tell you, I'm going to add, just a little vanilla, get a little flavor. And I'm also going to put my egg in there. Now we're gonna mix that around. Move this to the side. Now, I got me some butter over here melting. Now, I wanna kind of toast these little pecan pieces, so I'm gonna put them in there. And I'm finna toast these here up pretty good in this butter. And then when I get these toasted up, I'm gonna take that there and I'm gonna put it into my pumpkin mix when I mix it up. Man, you talking about gonna be good, man. And then later on, I'm gonna take my powdered sugar, my milk, and my cinnamon, and that's gonna be my icing. Man, it's gonna be good. Cooking General, hey, you want me to do the recipe with pumpkin? Hey, I'm hoping this here, y'all like it because, hey, it was pretty good, you know what I'm saying? 81, 82, hey, ask somebody. Yeah, I got my dough rolled out already, you know what I'm saying? And then all you wanna do is just take it, you roll your dough out, after you mix everything up in there, and then you just stuff it. And see, I got my icing right here, and that's my, got a little, just a pinch of vanilla, my powdered sugar, and my milk. And that's gonna be my icing. And right now, you roll it out, you know what I'm saying? You want to go ahead and get it. It's going to be pumpkin goodness, and I'm frying it right now. Browning it on one side. I'm just doing one at a time because I don't want to do too many. There we go. I'm going to flip it over. And we're going to brown it, and then we're going to put our icing on it. Cooking General, ask somebody. Okay. Man, we got to finish, man. Come here and look at this here, boy. Look at that. Now, I got my icing on it right now, you know what I'm saying? And, man, I'm just, man, look here. Let's cut it over. You see it? They nice, they crisp on the outside. See there? You got your pumpkin, your pecan, your marshmallows and stuff on the inside. And they pretty good. I really like that, y'all. Man, there, give me a shot of that, y'all. Boy, you talking about, oh.
Cooking General, are you home okay? Cooking General, are you okay? Thank you.